I fear I spent too much money. A girl can admit when she's wrong. I told you guys you didn't need anything from the Sephora sale.
You don't need anything from the Sephora sale.
But then I went and bought stuff for myself. I'm so sorry. Let's get into it. I already opened the package because you know a girl needs a sneak peek. First of all, I'm going to Mexico over Christmas vacation. So I got the Supergoop glow screen in the shade Dawn. I think this is going to be the perfect shade for me. I don't want to look too bronzed. I know it's pretty much just going to give me a little bit of a glow, but I'm into it. It does smell like sunscreen, but I think I can get over that. Next up, we have a restock. This is the Haus concealer. It's in the shade 03 Fair Rosy. It's so hard to find concealers with like a pinky undertone, and this is my perfect color. Like, it's perfect. I still have some left of my other one though, so I'm just gonna keep this in the box for now. Okay, this is something I really didn't need, but I wanted. I got my mom the Dae Taming Wand for Christmas last year, and I've literally been using it more than her when I come home, so I just thought I needed to get myself one. I am obsessed, okay, with how it smells. I have lots of little flyaways here, and when I do a slick back, I don't want my hair to look too greasy, but like slicked back, if that makes sense. And this really does the trick. I for real did not need all of this. Okay, I am so excited about this. Morphe, I've been loving what Morphe has been coming out with recently. Their rebrand should be studied. This is the Cloud Light Soft Glow Veil. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I was really drawn to this shade because it's described as vanilla with balancing pink. And again, with the pink undertones, I thought it would be, it's so soft, perfect. It is a beautiful shade on me. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I don't know how to use it though. Like, is it a finishing powder? I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some more research. But the model on Sephora really sold me on this one. It looks so good on her, and we have the exact same skin tone, so I'm into it. I've butchered this packaging. And last but not least, I'm so excited about this. So I religiously use the Tarte Tartelette mascaras. I am a tubing mascara girl, okay? Because otherwise, somehow, every single other mascara on the planet ends up under my eyes. I don't know how. Any tips or tricks, I'd be open to hearing them. But this doesn't. I wasn't quite ready for a restock, but I decided to try the XL one, which I haven't tried before. And since it was on sale anyways, and I knew I'd need a new one eventually, I got this one. But then, okay, as I'm buying that, I notice it comes in brown. I'm so excited. Listen, did I need all of this stuff? No, but here's the thing. I've already spent the money. Okay, when I click submit, that purchase went through. And so when an order shows up to my door, it's free. Does that make sense to you guys? That is truly how I feel. I've already spent the money in the past. So past Sadie had to deal with that. And now current Sadie gets free makeup, basically. And that's girl math, I think. So next time I tell you you don't need anything from the Sephora sale, just know that I'll probably end up buying something. But thanks for watching anyways. I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 2K by December 1st, and we're almost there. Thank you, love you, bye!